Hi guys, it's me, Ms. Mason. I'm here with your next lesson, and today we are going to start name reflections, okay? Just like it says here. So the supplies you're going to need: paper, pencil, try and fix that glare a little bit, markers, and colors of any other kind. So materiales: papel, lápiz, marcadores y crayones o lápices colores o cualquier, okay? So step one, here's my paper. It needs to be horizontal, okay? Long ways. All right. Step two, fold in half like a hot dog. Okay? You guys all know what a hot dog is? So I'm going to take my paper. I'm just going to fold it in half. And you can see I'm using a scratch paper out of the recycling. That's okay. Okay, so there's my paper folded in half like a hot dog. Okay. Step two, on top half, write a name. Pretty. Okay, so you're going to write a name up here real nicely. Okay, so for example, I started one with my name Mason, okay, and I wrote it in cursive. So if you've got nice cursive handwriting, you can write in cursive, or if you write neatly in print, you can do that too. Now, does it have to be your name? No. This could be a gift for somebody in your family if you want to use somebody else's name, because we're going to be done before the holidays. So this could be a gift. Okay, so it doesn't have to be your name. All right, so since I started this one, I'm going to keep going with this one. Okay, so there's my name. Step four, we need to darken our name. Okay, so what that means is I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to make this really dark. Okay. Actually, I like this pencil better. There we go. Make it real dark. Try to be neat about it. Actually, you know what? That's kind of awkward. I'm going to move over here. I'm going to do it on my table. I'll just turn that so you guys can see it. That's easier. So make it real dark. So we did something similar to this in third grade, but this time, because you're in fifth grade, you get to do your name or a name. And because you're in fifth grade, it'll be a little harder because this is a lot smaller. Okay, so basically we're going to make a transfer. And this is a really easy way to make a copy of something that you wrote or drew. Okay, all right, so now my name is nice and dark. Now, next step. Okay, I'm going to fold it shut and scribble on back. Man, my handwriting is atrocious today. On back of name. Okay, so you guys might remember this from third grade. So we're just going to take our paper, we're going to fold it shut, and I'm going to scribble all over the back of the name. Okay, so there's tape under there. All right, so here's my paper. I'm going to fold it shut. You can see where I was writing notes to myself. There's my name right there. Okay, so on the back side of my name, and you can see, you can feel it because I pressed down really hard. That's where you're going to scribble. Okay, so I'll tilt this down. All right. So since it's on the back, it's okay. Nobody's going to see the back, especially if this is a gift you can glue it to a piece of nicer paper so it looks like it's been mounted, kind of how I do your artwork in the hallways. Okay, and then nobody will see the back. So I'm sort of following my letters because I can kind of see them. There's my A. Okay, and I think I got my N there by accident almost. And then my swoopy part of my N. Okay, let's see if I got it. Hey, look at that. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and, there we go. That's how we want to do that. I'm just going to trace this so it's nice and neat. Okay. Trace it carefully. That's pretty cool. Okay, there we go. Now this looks kind of messy here, so I'm just going to go ahead and neaten that up a little bit. There we go. All right, now next step is to trace it. Trace names, both of them, with a marker. Okay, so this is why I specifically said you need markers. So next step, you're going to get a marker, and I'm just going to use my handy dandy black. You can use any color you want. Okay, and then I'm just going to trace with my marker both of my names. Also, if you have a Sharpie, that would be really nice too. But you don't have to use a Sharpie. You can just use a regular old Crayola marker if you want. Or like this, just a little cheapo. I think Google sent me these markers with a project idea. There we go. So there's the top one. Now I'll do this one. Trace it neatly. Okay, there we go. So that is the first part of our project. Okay, good job, guys. Thanks.